So before we continue on, click the Layout tab. And this is something that we should have done in the beginning, but I missed this direction, and change the orientation to Portrait. There, that's the way it should have been. Now click at the bottom, Preview Your Letter. And then if you were to actually look through the recipients, you'll see all of the people that you're sending this to. It's the same letter to each person. And what I want to point out is this one is Resume Building 2-day. Then when I go to the next recipient, it's Interview Skills, it's a 3-day. And the next one is Industry Research, 3-day. This one's Back to Resume Building, 2-day. So that was that if then criteria that you created. If then else, that was that criteria you created. Now if you click at the top, mailings, if you want to, again, you could use this to move forward and this to move back, but if you wanted to go to a specific record, you would click in here, go to, type the record you want to go to, and press enter, and it takes you to that 4th record. Then we'll go ahead and click on the bottom there, complete the merge, choose Edit Individual Letters. It should be all, so it's going to do all of them. That one letter now will go into 5 separate documents. And you can see at the bottom it says 1 of 5. And then we'll go to the 4th one, just to change the address slightly. For the Vancouver one, if you click to the left of the V, just press enter so it's on its own line. But here you have 5 perfect letters. That was done just one main letter, and it's sent to 5 individual people. So this one will be saved as what is it? IL_WD_6_ confirm letter merge _ your name. So I'm just going to put mine in a new location so that it doesn't get confused. Good. And submit. Thank you.